Good day! Today let's do something special from the past. Let's do an egg curry with an old chicken curry. I have an old chicken curry, that's it, that's left over, but I don't know what to do today because I need to eat some good food, and I've decided to make an egg curry out of this chicken curry. In the past we used to always put some chicken curry on top of the egg and eat the beautiful egg. Today I've decided to show you what we used to do before when we have any leftover curry, but the curry should be just a day old is fine, and then the next day when your chicken gets over, you just drop in the egg. It could just be a boiled egg or some beautiful egg just like this, some rings, and kind of you can crack an egg in there. Voila, just like that, just so that your food on the table looks a little bit delicious. That's a tough one. Voila. Simple, easy, quick method. So don't worry about the next day. If your chicken gets over in your curry, you convert the curry into a beautiful egg curry. A bit of crushed pepper is always good, and some salt. Beautiful salt. Okay, good to put the cover so you can cook the top portion. I would preferably toss it around. Okay. Okay. So you see the lovely egg. Let's keep it aside. So I've decided to make around maybe 7. Okay. Beautiful, There you go, the simple and easy curry is getting ready. The previous day's chicken curry, I topped it up with a little water, and let's start dropping these pyramid of the beautiful bad boys one by one, okay, into the curry. It will go in very well, it will soak in nicely, and then you will see how delicious and how simple this beautiful curry is going to be. Voila! Just marvelous, Don't worry about the volume and don't add too much of water. Just enough. You can, toss it around. Oh my God, this is flavorsome, Delicious egg curry is ready, made out of the previous day's chicken curry. Enjoy this old technique in the modern world. Cheers, guys. Enjoy. Absolutely delicious. So just wriggle them around. Voila, mama. Now let's drop the garden fresh, absolutely fresh chopped coriander leaves. OMG, this is going to be delicious, Beautiful, tasty, delicious egg curry. So don't need to stir it around, just close it on top. And there you go, the beautiful egg curry is ready, made out of the previous day's chicken curry. Cheers, guys, enjoy.